Hello student. Now in this video I will explain the question number 2b. Solve the following sub question any 4 for the 8 marks. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 2b बघणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये any 4 तुम्हाला 4 सॉल्व करायचे असतात. 8 मार्क्स. प्रत्येक सब क्वेश्चनला 2 मार्क्स असतात. 5 दिलेले असतात तुम्हाला. ओके. आणि यापूर्वीच मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2a पूर्ण केलेला आहे. तुम्हाला माझ्या या सर्व व्हिडिओच्या लिंक या व्हिडिओच्या आय बटनवर जर तुम्ही क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला ते सर्व मिळतील. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट दी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2b. सॉल्व दी फॉलोइंग सब क्वेश्चन एनी फॉर दी 8 मार्क्स. कोणत्या टाईपचे क्वेश्चन्स बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले गेलेले आहेत आणि विचारले जातील ते प्रश्न आपण या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत चॅप्टर वाईज. इन ट्रायंगल ABC similar to triangle PQR, AB as to PQ is equals to 4 as to 5 and area of triangle PQR is equals to 125 centimeter square. Then find area of triangle ABC. Now these two triangles are similar and therefore when the triangles are similar their ratios of the area is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB square upon PQ square. That is the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, substitute the values. Upon area of triangle PQR किती आहे? तर 125. AB as to PQ is 4 by 5 bracket square, substituting the values. And therefore, area of triangle ABC upon 125. 4 by 5 चा स्क्वेअर करणार 16 upon 25. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equals to हा डिवाइडेड आहे तो इकडे गेल्यावर मल्टिप्लाइड होणार. सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार इथे 21 चा 25 चा 125 16 into 5 then you will get 80 and hence area of triangle ABC is equals to 80 square centimeter. Okay. Now the next question. In triangle LMN, ray MT bisect angle LMN. LM is equals to 6, MN is equals to 10, TN is equals to 8 and then find out the LT. Now MT is the angle bisector and therefore in triangle LMN, ray MT bisect angle LMN. Therefore by theorem of an angle bisector theorem, angle bisector theorem इथे apply करणार LM upon MN is equals to LT upon TN. Okay. Now substitute the values. LM is 6, MN is 10, LT is as it is, TN is 8. And therefore, that is LT is equals to 6 by 10 into हा काय करणार तर 8 करणार. And next simplification. 6 into 8, then you will get 48 upon 10. And hence you will get LT is equals to 4.8. This is the answer. Okay. Angle bisector theorem चा इथे apply करणार आपण त्या फॉर्म्युल्याचा. Now the next. In figure, angle MNP is equals to 90. MNP is equals to 90. NQ is a perpendicular to MP. MQ is equals to 9. Here is a 9. QP is equals to 4. Then find NQ. Okay. Now in triangle MNP, angle MNP is equals to 90 degree. NQ is a perpendicular to MP. Okay. And therefore by theorem of geometric mean, NQ square is equals to MQ into QP. Substitute the value. MQ ची value किती आहे तर 9. QP is 4. 9 into 4 36. Square root घेणार NQ is equals to 6. And this is answer by the theorem of geometric mean. Okay. Now the next problem. In figure, angle ABC is equals to 75. Angle EDC is equals to 75. Then prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. आपल्याला दोन्ही triangle similar दाखवायचे. Now see this. Angle B in the triangle ABC and the angle EDC for these two triangles are equal and one angle which is the common to these two triangles, and hence by angle test नुसार हे दोन्ही triangle कसे असतील तर similar असतील. Therefore now see this here. In triangle DCE and the triangle BCA. Okay. Angle CDE is a congruent to angle CBA. Okay. Each measures of 75. Next, angle DCE is a congruent to angle BCA, and that is a common angle, and therefore triangle DCE is a similar to triangle BCA by the angle test of similarity. Okay. Now the next question. In triangle PQR, NM is parallel to RQ. If PM is equals to 15, here is a PM, 15. MQ is 10, NR is equals to 8. Then find PN. Okay. Now see this here. NM is a parallel to RQ. Therefore, in triangle PRQ, what's happening? Segment NM is a parallel to side RQ. This is given. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, PN upon NR is equals to PM upon MQ. Next, substitute the value. PN as it is, NR is 8, PM is 15, MQ is 10. Okay, या values आहेत ते आपण तिथे substitute केलेले आहेत. And therefore, after simplification, PN is equals to हा divided आहे, इकडे गेल्यावर काय होणार तो multiplied 15 into 8 upon 10. Okay, and therefore you will get here is a 120 upon 10, and hence that is a PN is equals to 12. Okay, easy example है, repeative depending असताना. Next, in the above figure, segment AC and the segment BD intersect each other in point P. AC and the BD intersect each other in point P. Next, AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. Then prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay. Now see this here. These two segments are in proportion, and the next BP upon DP are proportional, and here is a vertically opposite angles, and therefore by side angle side test these two triangles are similar. Now we'll see this here. Okay, in triangle ABP, okay, ABP and the CDP, AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP. Okay, and angle APB is equals to angle CPD, vertically opposite angle, and therefore triangle ABP, okay, is similar to triangle CDP by side angle side test of similarity. Okay, now the next. In triangle ABC, segment AB is equals to 9 cm, segment BC is 40 cm, AC is 41 cm. State whether triangle ABC is a right angle triangle or not. Right reason. Okay. Now what is the biggest side here? 41. Okay, याचा square करणार, 9 चा square plus 40 चा square. If they are equal, then the given sides are sides of right angle triangle. Now in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square. AB किती दिलाय? The 9. BC is 40. 9 square is 81. 40 square is 1600. If you add it, then you will get AB square plus BC square is equals to 1681. This is the first one. Next, AC square means what? 41 square. That is 1681. This is the second one. And hence, from 1 and 2, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. And therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle by the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Given sides of the triangles are the sides of right angle triangle by the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Next, do sides 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter form a right angle triangle. Give reason. Now 7 square is 49, 24 square is a 576 and 25 square is a 625. या दोघांच्या स्क्वेअरचे ऍडिशन करणार. 7 square plus 24 square, 49 plus 576, you will get 625. And this is nothing but 25 square. And hence 7 square plus 24 square is equals to 25 square. And hence these are the sides of right angle triangle. Okay. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter form a right angle triangle. Okay. Now the next. In triangle PQR, PQ is equals to root 8, QR is equals to root 5, PR is equals to root 3. Is triangle PQR a right angle triangle? If yes, which angle is of 90 degree? Okay. त्याच टाइपचे क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जातात. Now first of all PQ square आपण find out करणार. Root 8 square is 8. Root of 5 square means what? QR square is equals to root of 5 bracket square means what? It is a 5. Okay. नंतर PR square. PR square is equals to root 3 bracket square and that is equals to 3. And if we add QR square and PR square ची addition केली means what? 5 plus 3 and that is equals to 8. It's nothing but PQ square. Okay. And in this way here, PQ square, this is the biggest side. Okay, this is the PQ square, PQ, and therefore the right angle is a side opposite to diagonal hypotenuse PQ. Okay, therefore measure of angle R is 90 degree. Okay, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Here PQ is the hypotenuse. The angle opposite to hypotenuse is a right angle triangle, and here the angle PRQ is a right angle. Okay, and that is equals to 90. Therefore the answer is triangle PQR is a right angle triangle and angle PRQ is a 90 degree. Okay, now the next. In triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. AP is the median. If the BC is equals to 18, BC is 18, and AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equals to 260. Okay, now the solution. BC is equals to 18, therefore BP is equals to 1 upon 2 BC, that is 1 upon 2 into 18, that is equals to 9. Therefore BP is 9, BC is also 9. Now in triangle ABC, what's happening here? AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times AP square plus 2 times BP square. Now substitute the value. AB square plus AC square 260, 2 times AP square plus 2 into 9 square. Okay, that is a 260 is equals to 2 times AP square. 9 square is 81, 81 into 2, 162. Therefore 2 times AP square is equals to 260 minus 162 and that is equals to 98. And hence 2 times AP square is equals to 98. Therefore AP square is equals to 98 upon 2. AP square is equals to 49. AP square is equals to, here I will write here again. One more step is repeat. Therefore AP square is equals to 49. Taking the square root on both sides, then you will get AP square is equals to 7. Or here we can write here AP square is equals to 7 square. Okay, and therefore AP is equals to 7, taking the square root on both sides. Okay, and hence the length of median, that is equals to 7. Easy question, is it? Now the next question. Find the length of a diagonal of a rectangle having the sides 11 centimeter and the 60 centimeter. Okay. Now here is a rectangle ABCD. Each angle is a 90. AC is the diagonal. AB is equals to 11 and BC is equals to 60. Let quadrilateral ABCD be given rectangle. AB is equals to 11 centimeter. BC is equals to 60 centimeter. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. That is the angle of a rectangle. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is 11. 11 plus 60 square. 11 square is 121. 60 square means what? 3600. If we add it, then you will get 3721. If we take the square root, then you will get AC is equals to 61 centimeter. Taking the square roots of both sides. Therefore, AC is equals to 61 centimeter. And hence the length of diagonal of a rectangle is 61 centimeter. Now the next. In triangle MNP, MNP is equals to 90 degree. This is the 90. Segment NQ is a perpendicular to MP. MQ is equals to 9. QP is equals to 4. Then find NQ. Now see this here in triangle MNP. Angle MNP is equals to 90. NQ is a perpendicular to MP. By theorem of geometric mean, what is that here? NQ square is equals to MQ into QP. Okay. NQ square is equals to MQ into QP. MQ is 9, QP is 4. Okay. Taking the square root on both sides. Square root of 9 is 3, 4 is 2. Therefore, NQ is equals to 3 into 2. NQ is equals to 6. Okay. The value of NQ is 6. Geometric means a formula is apply karna. Okay. Now the next. In triangle DEF, angle E is a 90. D is equals to 33 and DF is 65. Then find out EF. Again, in triangle DEF, angle DF is 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. DF square is equals to D square plus EF square. Okay. DF is 65. D is 33 square plus EF square. And therefore EF square is equals to 65 square minus 33. 65 is a square karna. That is a 4225. 33 is a square. 1089. Subtraction. You will get EF square is equals to 3136. Taking the square root on both sides. Then you will get EF is equals to 56 centimeter. Easy questions आहेत. Pythagoras formula त्या ठिकाणी apply करायचा आहे. Okay. Now the next. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from a church and looking at its top. The angle of elevation is of the 45. Okay. Then find the height of the church. Okay. Now here the measure of angle is 90 degree. This is 45. Again, the measure of this angle is equals to 45. Now this is the right angle isosceles triangle. AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. And therefore AB is equals to BC. या प्रकारे आपण solve करता येईल तो. Otherwise, we will apply from the trigonometry tan of 45 is equals to opposite side आपण adjacent असं पण आपल्याला ते solve करता येईल. Now in figure, segment AB represent the height of the church. C is the position of the observer. C या ठिकाणी होऊन observe करते the height of the church. Okay. A person looking at the top. Okay. And therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, tan of 45 आपण इथे consider करणार. Tan 45 is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. AB upon BC. Tan 45 is 1. AB is as it is. BC is 80. And therefore, after the simplification, AB is equals to 80 meter. And hence, height of the church is 80 meter. Okay. Now the next. In the above figure, measure of arc DXE is equals to 105. Measure of arc AYC is equals to 47. Then find the measure of angle DBE. याचा मेजर आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. नाउ these chords intersect outside the circle in the exterior part of the circle. Therefore, the measure of angle DBE, हा फॉर्म्युलाच आहे. Measure of the angle DBE is equals to 1/2 in bracket measure of arc DXE minus measure of arc AYC. This is the formula. What about the measure of arc DXE? It's 105. AYC is a 47. Subtraction is a 58 divided by 2. Then you will get 29. And hence, measure of angle DB is equals to 29. This is the 29 degree. Okay. Now the next. Quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic. Angle R is equals to 5x minus 13. Angle N is equals to 4x plus 4. Find measure of angle R and N. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Okay, it's a given. By the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Then here the angle R and the angle N, these are the opposite angles. Therefore, their sum is equals to 180. Measure of angle R is 5x minus 13 plus measure of angle N is a 4x plus 4 is equals to 180, and their sum 5x plus 4x is 9x minus 13 plus 4 minus 9 is equals to 180, and therefore 9x is equals to 180 plus 9, that is equals to 9x is equals to 189, and hence x is equals to 189 upon 9. Then you will get x is equals to 21. And now next, angle R is equals to 5x minus 13. Okay, therefore 5 into 21 minus 13. 5 into 21 you will get 105 minus 13, and hence R is equals to 92. Next, measure of angle N is equals to 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4. Substitute the value of x, that is a 21 into 4 plus 4. 21 into 4 you will get 84 plus 4, that is a 88. And hence the measure of angle N is 88 and measure of angle R is 92. Easy question है. Cyclic quadrilateral ची property थे apply करतो. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Now the next. In the figure, chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Then prove that arc AC is a congruent to arc BD. Okay. Now here chord AB is a congruent to chord CD. Chord AB ला adjacent असणारा arc कुठला आहे तर ते AB arc आहे. Now AB arc means what? Arc AC, measure of arc AC plus measure of arc BC. And what about the chord CD? त्याला adjacent arc कुठला असणार आहे? That is arc CD, and that is measure of arc CD is equals to measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD, and measure of arc BC is common, then we cut it, then you will get measure of arc AC is equals to measure of arc DB in this way. Now see this here. Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. This is given, and therefore arc ACB is congruent to arc CBD. Arc corresponds to congruent chords, and therefore measure of arc ACB is equals to measure of arc CBD. But what about the measure of arc ACB? Measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB or BC. Okay. And what about the measure of arc CBD? Measure of arc BC plus measure of arc BD. Okay. But the measure of arc ACB is equals to measure of arc again I will repeat, ACB is equals to measure of arc AC plus measure of arc BC. This is the second. Measure of arc CBD is equals to measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. This is number 2. And therefore from 1 and 2, these two are equal, and therefore these two right hand sides are also equal. त्या दोन्ही देखील कशा आहेत, ते इक्वल आहेत. Measure of arc CB is common to the both sides, and therefore measure of arc AC is equals to measure of arc BD, and hence arc AC is a congruent to arc BD. It's a proof. Okay, easy question. Now the next question. The distance between centers of two circles which are touching internally is 10 centimeter. These two circles touches internally. If the radius of one circle is 15 centimeter, find the radius of other circle. Let the radius of first circle is R1, radius of second circle is R2, both the circle touching internally, and therefore mod of R1 minus R2 is 10. But we have given R1 is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. R1 minus R2 is 10. Okay. It's a, if we draw the modular sign, then here you will get plus or minus 10. Okay. Or in first case, we'll consider R1 minus R2 as a plus 10. Okay. And in the second case, we consider R1 minus R2 is equals to minus 10. I will solve these two. Okay. Put R1 as a 15 minus R2 is equals to 10. And next, R1 as a 15 minus R2 is equals to minus 10. And if we simplify, then you will get R2 is equals to 15 minus 10. And hence R2 is equals to 5 centimeter. Next, R2 is equals to 15 plus 10. You will get 25 centimeter. Okay. And hence, the radius of second circle is 5 centimeter or 25 centimeter. Okay. That when we withdraw the modulus sign, then 10 gets a plus or minus sign. Means what? R1 minus R2 is equals to plus or minus 10. Okay. Now the next. Segment RM and the segment RN are the tangent segment of a circle with center O. RM and the RN. These are the tangent segment. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN as well as MON. Okay. Now in triangle RMO and the triangle RNO, angle RMO is equals to angle RNO, and that is equals to 90 degree by the tangent theorem. Hypotenuse OR is congruent to hypotenuse OR. It's a common side. Okay. Side OM is congruent to side ON. Okay. ON is congruent to ON because they are the radii of the same circle. And therefore, these two triangles are, therefore the triangle RMO is congruent to triangle RNO by the side hypotenuse theorem. Okay. And therefore their corresponding angles are also congruent. Which are the corresponding angle? That is the angle MOR. This angle is congruent to angle NOR. Okay. These are the corresponding angle. Also, angle MOR. This is the MOR and NOR. Next, angle MRO is congruent to angle NRO. Okay. These are also congruent angle by the, what is that? Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And hence, segment OR bisect. This OR bisect angle MON and angle MRN in this way. Okay. Now the next is a proof. In the figure, P is the point of contact of tangent OP. P is the point of contact of tangent OP. OP is equals to 7.2 OQ is equals to 3.2. QR, find out QR. Now this is the tangent segment. OP square is equals to, line OP is the tangent to the circle at P. Line OQR is a secant to the circle intersecting the circle at point Q and R. By the tangent secant theorem, OP square is equals to OQ into OR. OP is 7.2, OQ is a 3.2, OR is as it is, and hence OR is equals to 7.2 into 7.2 upon 3.2. हे सिंप्लिफिकेशन करना, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटरला मल्टिप्लाय करना आपण, दॅट इज बाय 100 और 2 डेसिमल न्यूमरेटर से घेणार आणि 2 डेसिमल डिनोमिनेटर साठी घेणार. दॅट इज if we simplify this, that you will get 72. If you multiply n and divide 100, here is a 72 upon 32 into 10 this way. Then you can simplify here. 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72. Okay. Now the next 417, 417 and 4 8s are 32. Okay. And the next 18 into 9, then you will get 162 upon 10, and that is equals to 16.2, and therefore OR is equals to 16.2. Now this is the OR. We want to find out the QR. Therefore OR is equals to OQ plus QR. Here OR is equals to OQ plus QR. OR is 16.2. Okay, and OQ is 3 point. Okay, OQ is a 3.2. Substitute the value. Therefore you will get QR is equals to 16.2 minus 3.2. You will get 13, and hence QR is equals to 13. Okay. In the given figure, M is the center of circle. This is the segment. KL is a tangent segment. L is a point of contact. If MK is equals to 12, KL is equals to 6 root 3, then find the radius of the circle. In triangle MLK, angle MLK is equals to 90 degree. Okay, this is the 90 degree tangent theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, MK square is equals to ML square plus LK square. Substitute the value. 12 square is equals to ML square plus LK, that is a 6 root 3 bracket square. 36 into root 3, you will get 144 is equals to ML square. 36 into 12 ki देणार 108, and therefore ML square is equals to 144 minus 108. ML is equals to ML square is equals to 36. Therefore ML is 6, taking square roots. Okay. Therefore the radius of circle is 6. 6 is the radius of circle. Okay. Easy question है. Pythagoras theorem फक्त apply करायचा है. Now the next. Measures of two arcs formed by a chord of a circles are 2x and the 7x. Find the measure of minor arc. This is the chord AB. Minor arc 2x, major arc 7x, and sum of their measures is 360. 2x plus 7x is equals to 360. 9x is equals to 360. Therefore x is equals to 360 upon 9. If we simplify, then you will get, here is a 40. Therefore x is equals to 40. Measure of minor arc is equals to 2x. 2 into 40 is equals to 80, and hence measure of minor arc is 80 degree. Okay. Now the next question. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter and center O. Take any point P on it. Draw tangent to the circle through the point P using the center of the circle. सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम पुन्हा देखील या टाइप मध्ये कन्स्ट्रक्शन विचारलं जातं. सगळ्यात इझी कन्स्ट्रक्शन असते. ड्रॉ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 2.7 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ tangent to this circle at any point on it. Now this is the circle of the radius 2.7. आधीचं देखील 3.2 तुम्ही घेऊ शकताय. And next take the any point M on it and extend this line. म्हणजे हा रे OM आपण काढणार. Then take M as a center. Draw the arc on the both sides. इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार आहे. दोन्ही साईडला आपण इथे आर्क ड्रॉ करणार आहे. आणि हे जे डिस्टन्स असणार आहे त्यानंतर इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार आहे. इथे पेन्सिलीचं टोक असणार आहे. Draw this arc and to the bottom in this way. Next इथे पोलादी टोक ठेवणार आहे. इथे आर्क ड्रॉ करणार आहे आणि या साईडला. Their point of intersection join this line. This is the tangent to the circle at the point M in this way. Okay. हे तुम्ही construction काढू शकताय. Okay. Now the next. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment joining point P 06 and Q 1220. P is a 06, Q is a 1220. Let M be the midpoint of segment PQ. P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. x1 is 0, y1 is 6, x2 is a 12. y2 is a 20. By the midpoint formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2, 0 plus 12 upon 2, 12 by 2, that is equals to 6. 6 plus 20, 26 upon 2, you will get 13, x is equals to 6, y is 13, and therefore the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment PQ are 6, 13. Midpoint formula या ठिकाणी फक्त अप्लाय करायचा आहे. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन जॉइनिंग पॉइंट E -4 -2 and F 6 3. Now the solution E -4 -2 and F 6 3. Now the slope of EF. What is that? Difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. What is this? x1 y1 and here is x2 y2. y2 minus y1 to the numerator, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Substitute the value of y2. Okay, is a 3 minus in bracket -2 and to the numerator 6 minus in bracket -4. 6 plus 4 10, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 10, and hence you will get 1 upon 2. And therefore the slope of line is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now the next. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are -7 6, 2 -2, 8 5. Let A -7 6 be 2 -2, C 8 5, A -7 6 x1 y1, B 2 -2 x2 y2, C 8 5, x3 y3. Let G be the centroid of the triangle. Okay. Centroid formula is applied by the centroid formula. X is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Okay. And y किती असणार आहे? y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. सर्वांची total करणार and divided by 3. What about here? First is -7 plus 2 plus 8. -7 plus 2 plus 8. 7 plus 2 is 10. -7 plus 10. 3, 3 upon 3, then you will get x is 1. Next is y1 plus y2 plus y3, 6 minus 2 plus 5, 6 minus 2 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 minus 2, you will get 9, 9 by 3, you will get y is 3, and therefore the coordinates of the centroid are 1, 3. Okay, easy example. Now the next. Find K if the line if line passing through P -12 -3 Q 4K has slope 1 upon 2. Now the coordinate of the point P is x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, P x1, y1, Q x2, y2. Slope त्याने आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. Therefore M is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, 1 upon 2. What is here? y2 is K y1 is minus 3, minus in bracket minus 3, x2 is a 4, minus in bracket minus 12, k plus 3, 4 plus 12, therefore 1 upon 2 is equals to k plus 3 upon 16, and therefore cross multiplication 1 into 16, 16, 2 in bracket k plus 3 is equals to 16, therefore k plus 3 is equals to 16 upon 2 means what? 8. 16 upon 2, k plus 3 is equals to 8, and therefore k is equals to 8 minus 3, you will get 5, and hence the value of k. Okay. Now the next problem, determine whether R03, D21, S3 minus 1 are collinear or not. Now to show that the collinear, we take the distance of first of all RD, then DS, then RS. Okay. ये तीन पॉइंट्स आहेत बाय यूजिंग द डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला RD फाइंड आउट करना 2 minus 0 bracket square means what? Difference of x coordinate bracket square plus difference of y coordinate 1 minus 3 bracket square. 2 square means what here? 4 minus 2 square is a 4. 4 plus 4 8, root of 8 means what? 4 into 2, square root of 4 is 2, therefore you will get 2 root 2. This is the distance RD. Next, to find out the distance DS, difference of x coordinate of bracket square plus difference of y coordinate bracket square. Now 3 minus 2, here is a 3 minus 2 bracket square. Next is a minus 1 and minus 1 bracket square. 3 minus 2 means what? 1 square plus minus 2 bracket square. Okay, 1 plus 4, that is a 5. Therefore, distance ds is equals to root 5. Next, distance rs find out karna. This is the r and the s. 3 minus 0 bracket square plus minus 1 minus 3 bracket square minus 4 bracket square. 3 square is a 9, minus 4 square is a 16. 9 plus 16, root of 25, and then you will get distance rs is 5. Now adding 2 and 3 means what? Distance ds plus distance rs. Okay, ds and rs ची total करना. What is that? हा किती आला? ds is 5 root 5. rs किती आले? It's 5 root 5 plus 5. But the distance ds plus distance r is not equals to distance rd. तर rd चा आपण distance इथे find out केलेला आहे, and that distance rd is equals to 2 root 2. Here I will write the distance rd is equals to 2 root 2. या प्रकार these distances are not equal, and hence the points r, d, s are not collinear. अजून आपल्याला एक वेगळ्या प्रकारे हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करता येतं. फाइंड आउट द slope of rd, then the slope of ds. If these two slopes are equal, then we say that the points are collinear. Okay. Now here the points are not collinear by using the distance formula. Okay. Now the next problem. A minus 7 6, B 2 minus 2, C 8 5 are the coordinates of vertices of triangle. Then find the coordinate of the centroid. Okay. A coordinates are B and C. Centroid या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम झालेला आहे. X is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3. Next is a 6 minus 2 plus 5. Okay, x is 3 by 3, y is equals to 9 by 3, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. Same type of problem we have completed here. Okay, centered. Now the next. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment joining the point 22, 20, 0, 16. A point दिलेला आपल्याला. This is the B. Let M be the midpoint of segment AB by the midpoint formula. xy x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, 22 plus 0 upon 2, 20 plus 16 upon 2, 22 upon 2, that is 11, 36 upon 2, you will get 18, and hence the coordinate of the midpoint are 11, 18. Okay, so the midpoint. Now the next, If sin theta is equals to 11 upon 61, then find the value of cos theta using trigonometry identity. What is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Trigonometric identity. What about this sin theta? 11 upon 61 bracket square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 11 square किती आला 121 and 61 square is a 3721 plus cos square theta is equals to 1. पुढे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार cos square theta is equals to 1 minus 121 upon 3721. Simplification करणार, then you will get cos square theta is equals to 3600 upon 3721. Taking the square root on both sides, you will get cos theta is equals to 60 upon 61. Hence, this is the cos theta. Okay. Now the next. If 3x is equals to cosec theta, 3 upon x is equals to cot theta, find the value of 3 in bracket x square minus 1 upon x square. Now here 3x is equals to cosec theta, therefore x is equals to cosec theta upon 3. Next, 3 upon x is equals to cot theta. It means that 1 upon x is equals to cot theta upon 3. Here value substitute करना, that is a 3 in bracket x square minus 1 upon x square. What about the x square? Cosec square theta upon 3 चा square means what? Cosec square theta upon 9. 1 upon x square चा square किती आहे 1 upon x square means what? Cot square theta upon 3 चा square किती आला तर 9. Okay. Therefore 3 in bracket cosec square theta upon 9 minus cot square theta upon 9. Okay. हे 9 common घेणार, that is a 3 by 9 means what? 1 by 3. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta, that is 1. Okay. And hence 3 in bracket x square minus 1 upon 2 x square is equals to 1 by 3. And hence it is approved. Okay. Here's the question. Next problem. Prove that cosec theta into in root of 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 1. Simple. Here we consider the LHS. Cosec theta into in root of 1 minus cos square theta. But what is 1 minus cos square theta? Is sin square theta by using this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Okay. 1 minus cos square theta ची value sin square theta. Square and root get cancelled. You will get sin theta. Cosec theta into sin theta. Cosec theta means what? 1 upon sin theta into sin theta. Sin get cancelled. You will get 1, that is equals to RHS. And hence LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore cosec theta into in root of 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. Now the next. Prove that sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta into sec theta. Now the next simplification. LHS sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. या cos theta ने cos theta ला multiply करना, then you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta. But what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Is 1. That is 1 upon cos theta. And what is the reciprocal of cos? Is a sec theta, and that is equals to RHS. And hence LHS is equals to RHS. And hence sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equals to sec theta is proved. Okay. Now the next problem. Prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Easy question आहे तो. यामध्ये आपण LHS कन्सिडर करणार आणि LHS च्या न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनोमिनेटरला त्याच्या कॉन्जुगेटने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. मीन्स व्हॉट? मल्टिप्लाइड to the numerator and denominator by sec theta plus tan theta. That is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. Now 1 into sec theta plus tan theta, you will get sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta means what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. And what is its value? Is 1. Okay. Therefore sec theta plus tan theta upon 1 is a sec theta plus tan theta, and hence 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन जरी आपण याचं केलं तर then what you will get 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Now the next is if sin theta is equals to 7 upon 25, then find the value of cos theta and tan theta. Okay. इथे आयडेंटिटी आपण अप्लाय करणार. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Substitute the value of sin. 7 upon 25 bracket square 49 upon 625. पुन्हा simplification cos square theta is equals to 625 minus 49 upon 625. 576 upon 625. Therefore, cos theta is equals to 24 upon 25, taking the square root on both sides. This is the value of cos theta, 24 upon 25. Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. But what about the sin theta? 7 upon 25. Cos theta is divided by 24 upon 25. पुढे हे मल्टीप्लाइड and reciprocal होणार. 7 upon 25 into 25 by 24. Simplification, 25 times 25 cut on. You will get 7 upon 24. This is the tan theta. Okay. Now the next. If sin theta is equals to 7 upon 25, then find the value of cos theta. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin ची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार 7 upon 25 bracket square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus 7 upon 25. 7's square 49. 25 square is a 625. Simplification, इथे multiplication करणार. 625 minus 49 upon 625. You will get cos square theta is equals to 576 upon 625. पुन्हा square root घेणार. You will get 24 upon 25. And hence cos theta is equals to 24 upon 25. Easy question. Trigonometry identities वरून आपल्याला ते solve करायचे आहे. Okay. Now the next problem. Find the surface area and volume of the beach ball of diameter 42 centimeter. Okay. Beach ball, it's just like a sphere. The diameter of beach ball is 42 centimeter. Therefore, radius is 42 upon 2, 21 centimeter. Surface area of the beach ball is 4 pi r square. 4 into pi, value of pi 22 upon 7. R is a 21 into 21. Is simplification करना. 7 1 7, 7 3 is 21. Okay. And next 4 into 22. Then you will get 88. Okay. 21 into 3. Then you will get here 63. And their product, you will get 5544 centimeters square. Next, the volume of the beach ball 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, the value of pi is a 22 upon 7. R is a 21 into 21 into 21. 3 into 7, 21. म्हणून हा 21 इकडे कट होणार. 4 into 22. Then you will get 88. And the 21 into 21. That is 441. पुन्हा या दोघांचा product करणार. Then you will get 38,808 centimeter cube. And this is the volume of the beach ball. Okay. Therefore, the surface area of the beach ball is 5,544. And next, the volume of the beach ball is 38,808 centimeter cube. Okay. Now the next problem. Find the volume of a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. Pi is equals to 3.40. Diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeter. Its radius is 3 centimeter. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 3. या ठिकाणी इथे 3 3 कट होणार. Okay. Next 3 into 3 9. 9 into 4, that is you will get 36. 36 into 3.14. Okay. Then you will get 113.04 centimeter cube. And this is the volume of sphere is 113.04 centimeter cube. And in this way we have completed question number 2B. म्हणजेच काय आपण तुमच्या क्वेश्चन पेपरचा 20 मार्क्स आपण कंप्लीट केलेले आहे आउट ऑफ द 40. 50% पेपर या ठिकाणी कंप्लीट झालेला आहे. सर्व क्वेश्चन्स इझी आहेत. टेक्स्टबुक मधली सर्व जर फॉर्म्युले तुम्ही व्यवस्थित केली, इफ यू प्रिपेअर ऑल द फॉर्म्युलीज, देन यू विल गेट फुल मार्क्स. दॅट इज फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला 20 पैकी 20 मिळाले पाहिजे. ओके. नाउ विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ question number 3. Okay. Till then, goodbye.